section of the paper, Legal Environment of Business. And a brief introduction about me. I am Renika Chaudhary and I am faculty IBS Gurgaon, faculty in Finance, Accounts and Law. I have done MCom, MPhil and I have submitted my PhD. My research interests are ethical issues in accounting, triple bottom line, IPOs and financial fraud. Now let me take you through this paper. The Legal Environment of Business is a paper which will take you through. Now, why legal environment of business? With the growth of civilization, people's social and economic behavior has assumed a multi-dimensional character. So the term law here, it denotes that rules and principles which are either enforced or self-imposed by members of society to control and regulate people's behavior to secure justice, peaceful living, and social security. So this paper will take you through why law and what are the different types of law and what are the different sources of law and what is the justice delivery system, which is second topic will be Indian Contract Act 1872. This act has total 266 sections. First 75 sections will talk about general provisions, and then next is sales of goods act, and then next will be indemnity and guarantee. And section 148 to 181 will take you through payment and pledge, and 182 to 238 will take you through the contracts of agency, and 238 to 266 will take you through partnership law. And the next very important topic is Companies Act 2013. This topic will cover from the incorporation stage to liquidation stage of the company, which will have EAMP, which will talk about independent director, full-time director, meeting and liquidation of the company. And the next is IPR laws, intellectual property rights, and RERA, which are covered under property law. And taxation laws will basically talk about direct and indirect tax structure, which is prevailing in India. And Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, it will take you through different negotiable instruments, PR, check, and promissory note. And then we have SARFAESI Act, which is about NPA. And next is insurance laws. Insurance laws, we will cover IRDA, and we'll cover different provisions which are given under insurance law. Consumer Protection Act, in order to protect customers from exploitation and to safeguard them from adulterated and substandard goods. This law came into force in 1986. So this is basically about how to protect customers from different kind of exploitation. And next will be cyber laws or IT law. It is a comprehensive piece of legislation which aims at policing some of the activities over internet. And last is ADR mechanism. How ADR processes will improve the relationship between the disputing parties. This course will be delivered through different modes. We'll have blended online learning, virtual conferencing tools, and we'll also provide you pre-class reading material. In law, we have landmark cases or the milestone cases. So we'll give you references for those cases. And we have many news articles on the latest topic which needs to be discussed in class. So evaluation will be done basically through LMS assignment and LMS choice module and quiz and group assignments and discussion forums on different judgments which are being